Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what is in this box, but we will figure it out together. Struggling to pick up these stickers off camera. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. All right. And follow me on Instagram. Here we go. This is an area with tape. Seems like the easiest way in. Of course, that's assuming I know how to manipulate a simple tool. There we go. And we're in. Okay, fantastic. What do we got here? I'm going to muscle into that right there. We have a pouch. And, fortunately, also a note. Thank you very much. Love notes. Let's see here. Oh, here's this Instagram. So, hang on, everybody. We'll get that to where you can see it. We have at Hoosier_in_Texas_EDC on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Are we having trouble focusing? There we go. Sorry about that. Let's see here. Oh, this is, well, you guys have already seen the thumbnail. I'll read this off camera. You guys have already seen the thumbnail. This, I've never handled this before. Brand new model from ZT. This is the 0707. Very interesting. Okay, very much different than many other models that I'm used to from ZT. But I will say, the nice thing is it's full size. And I'm happy. I don't really care so much that it's slender. I don't like knives that I can't get a full purchase on. And I definitely can with this knife. It's very lightweight, very snappy on the action. Not really so much drop shut, but it is fairly smooth. Action is very good. It has some custom anno on it, but it is, in fact, you know, the ZT 0707, the very new model. I will be linking this knife down in the description so you guys can pick this up for yourselves if you want to. It's got that hole there. That doesn't bother me at all. I don't know what people's deal with that is. The hole is just fine. It does have a steel lock bar insert and all that good stuff. Steel on this guy, 20 CV. This is interesting. So, you know, you guys have heard me say a million times, like, ZT's headed in a different direction. I don't like it. I like their old, like, mega tactical overbuilt stuff. I understand they want to get away from, not necessarily the overbuilt stuff, but the mega tactical sort of theme, right? The aggressive mega tactical theme. And more so just make professional, you know, cutting tools. Now, obviously, they are not opposed to making large models, as is evident with the 0308, right? I mean, they're obviously still interested in keeping the same level of quality. They've just made some knives that I consider to be too small. I'm not necessarily, you know, wanting them to only make big knives. I think it's nice to keep a healthy balance, right? I just don't want the little tiny micro knives. I don't think anybody really likes to pay, you know, for a production knife. People don't like to pay upwards of $250 for a little, you know, micro knife. And I understand they've got some smaller knives that are less than 200, but this is all right. First impressions are good here. The blade is, are we centered? Yeah, perfectly centered. But you guys see the lockup, right? Now the problem with slender knives is that even somebody with a practiced hand, every now and then, like I just did there, you're going to accidentally put your fingers on the lock bar because there's not a lot of room here. So you really have to train your hand to not, you know, touch the lock bar, not put excess pressure there, which is going to, you know, affect the flipping action. But it does flip well. It is ridiculously lightweight. And I think that's because we have a solid piece. Oh, there is a little more of a cartridge liner than I thought. Yeah, it's not just up here by the pivot. Yeah, it is. There's a little steel cartridge liner for some added structural integrity. Not that you need that. Carbon fiber is plenty strong. How are we behind the edge? It's okay. It's all right. Blade stock's not super thick. Pretty nice. Interesting. Oh boy, look at that pocket clip. Hey, that's pretty neat. I like that. Because they totally could have just slapped some, you know, ridiculous ZT pocket clip on there like they have with some other models. That's pretty, I'm happy with that clip, at least initially. have to, you know, see how it works in practice. But this is all right. If you like the slender, ultra lightweight knives that still come in a full size package, you might like this. 20 CV carbon fiber and titanium. Pretty cool. Links will be included down in the description. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.